It's time for a Tuesday tip on the Onefinity Elite Series. Did you know that on the Onefinity Elite Series, you can pick up a stopped, paused, or errored carve for just about any reason, exactly where you left off? Let me show you how. Here you can see I've got a file with a bunch of coasters loaded. I've already got to line 704 on this G-code. But what happens if we lose power? Let's turn the machine off, reboot, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. Once that Masso has rebooted, we're going to e-stop and home, just like normal. Once we've successfully homed the machine, we'll go back to F6 and reload the same file we previously had loaded. With our file loaded, we'll go back to the F2 screen, and now we can go to the Jump to Line button. You'll notice it remembers the line that we were at. We'll click Start from Line, it will load, and then we're just going to click Run. It will automatically move in one direction, then we'll press OK. Now we'll press Start. It will move in the Y. We'll press Start one more time. Moving Z, and now the machine is set, and in just a few seconds, it will start back where it left off. Because the Masso remembers your 0 point and the exact line you were running, this can save you a lot of time, frustration, and money in pieces that you might have thrown away otherwise.